Police begin the trial of APGA chairman Edozie Njoku over the alleged forgery of Supreme Court judgment. My people, it don't happen again, no. It don't happen again. So actually now, the police don't start this APGA chairman trial for court. They took him to court because of what? Forgery of Supreme Court judgment. They say that the judgment he got, as in he presented to the people as the APGA chairman, national APGA chairman, was actually forged by him and was not original. So he was taken to the courts for justice. Now let me allow you guys hear from the horse's mouth why he was taken to the courts. And also in this video, I'm going to allow you guys hear from the proceedings that happened in the courts, what happened in the courts, and what this man himself, the APGA chairman Edozie Njoku, have to say about this case. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, thank you for stopping by this channel. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are a new viewer. Okay, thank you guys. So let me allow you guys listen to what this man has to say, everything that happened and why he was taken to the court
of the Nigerian Police Force Abuja. We're prosecuting Edozie Njoku and one other accused person for the offense that they committed. This man was never at any time elected or appointed as the national chairman of APGA in anywhere. He went to Supreme Court in the judgment of Supreme Court that was delivered on 14th October 2021. He went to Supreme Court last year, in the month of May, June last year, connived with the staff of Supreme Court and altered the Supreme Court judgment with his name as a party. And he's using those judgments of the Supreme Court to parade himself as a national chairman of APGA. That one does not concern me. But what concerns us is that after the police investigations, it turned out to be that the judgment this man is parading himself, I know the true judgment of the Supreme Court, a judgment that he altered, and then we brought him to court, and we're prosecuting him this morning.
So guys, let's also listen to what the lawyer in charge, the defendant's lawyer in charge, has to say about this case and what happened, the proceedings, everything that happened in the court today. So please watch this video to the end and make sure you like and share this video.
The defendants and second defendant choosing not to arraign the third defendant, who happened to be the secretary to the retired Chief Justice Mary Odili of the Supreme Court. So on that note, they called a witness. According to him, said is the Deputy Secretary General of APGA, of an election convention that held in Oka, which we know there was no convention in Oka of APGA in 2019. All we know that is there even on record and even under the INEC, list or whatever. It's a weary convention of 2019. So the court went ahead to hear the first witness, and our thinking was that we're going to see a person who give evidence in court with respect to the forgery allegations which were being leveled by the prosecution. But on the irony, they brought a person who is reiterating issues of convention, he said, happened here and this, that, inconsistent statements here and then. To the best of my knowledge, we did not really need to object to anything he said, because even the prosecution counsel simply said the court should only take notice. It didn't say it should be admitted as exhibit or in evidence in any case. So the court just took notice of the document that were tendered. They had little or nothing to do with the allegations of forgery of the Supreme Court judgment. So I asked him two questions, which I know what he said, and at the same time, he denied, because I know that he contradicted himself. Tactical step by the Nigerian police force to exonerate themselves as being, the proponent of the prosecution, trying to say it's the deputy national secretary of APGA that wrote the petition, which to them they're acting on. So that's a first step to show that they are statistically withdrawing in any case. If not, I expected them to bring evidence from the Supreme Court, from the Nigerian police force, especially from the Supreme Court. And right here, that means secretary of the Supreme Court is right here, right inside the court, in any case. So I think that rather than the police force knows the implications of them applying for withdrawal of the case. They know that, so they are trying to buy time. That's why each time he asked for long adjournment. This matter started in November last year. When we came, he told the court that he was going to, the prosecution was going to ask for accelerated hearing in 1 week time. But we've got like 5, 6, 7 adjournments, all at his own instance. And they said justice denied is justice, justice delayed is justice denied. And it's a regrettable phenomenon of high catastrophic proportion.
The defendant also came out to say something about the accusation. So let me allow you guys to listen to the defendant himself as well.
F0rg, the national chairman of APGA.
Okay, sir, during today's proceedings, there were allegations leveled against you by the prosecution.
For frauded for forging.
Of life.
Oh, you mean?
Yes, during today's proceedings.
At the end?
Yes, at the end of today's proceedings. And also, we got to know that they stylishly abandoned the forgery charge against you and raised up the issue as to your chairmanship. So tell us your submission today and how did today's proceedings go?
Well, I'll start by saying the only affirmed convention that has ever been held by the Supreme Court is the F0rg Convention, if you've read that. So if you see her talking about APGA Convention, that's not the bone of contention. There are two issues. The prosecutor is trying now, just walked out here and made a terrible claim that I said that he would die and I'll kill him, and he has already brought policemen to they are here to come and arrest me, and that's their option B. That I said because I killed Onyechi Basil's daughter. That's what the prosecutor said in court, and I said he would die, that I'm a very dangerous man, and that he has gone and brought the police to come and arrest me and face charges. So I've walked up to the policeman, walked up to me with a bag, and said, "Where are you from?" He said, "It's from the police station." I said, "This one is looking as if he's dead because you couldn't get anything out of this. You are now looking for another way to deal." And all their delays is, we have elections going to primaries meant to have finished in Bayelsa, Imo, and Kogi. It's for them to drag on again. And then when maybe a governor emerges, they say we're trying to remove him. The Supreme Court has been so clear. There is no affirmed the F0rg Convention. Any other thing that is being done, there is no court has never mentioned APGA. Court even mentioned it and said his name should be deleted on those purposes. So what they are really trying to do is bring in another dimension today by bringing some policemen and inviting. The man has already come and showed me his badge and saying we are going to the police station. Is that how they think they're going to take that power? It's impossible. It's not going to work. It won't work. Today, he said that I'm a gago, I'm a criminal. I said, before you thought I was a gentleman, I'm no longer a gentleman. We're going to fight this thing to the end. I will not give up. I've written a letter to the police. They need to withdraw that case. Withdraw it officially, because the Supreme Court made it clear that they took an innocent man to court, written in a judgment. So what are all these laws? These are just using law to delay an inevitable. But at the same time, I've been denied justice. And if it was happening to anyone, it must be so painful. But the thing is that I've learned so much. And he's now told me, as he said, he thought I was a gentleman to a gago. I'm now going to show him that I'm a real one. I'm a real one, because you can't fight power for power just being a gentleman. And secondly, I hope we saw what happened in Owerri. There was a big fight. They tried to do some primaries in Owerri yesterday. Some people were caught with knives on their neck. I'm sure you guys would have heard about it. It's a terrible thing. And the thing I want to say to INEC, such things are now, the youths have been fighting now, pushing and pushing. They went and mobilized some Brenta crowd people to seem as if they have crowd. The youths are pushing all over for us to come out and repossess our office. We've written to the police that the police should give them escort on basis of the Supreme Court judgment for our people to move into their office. If anything goes wrong there, the only people I personally hold responsible is INEC. And I say on my honor to Onyechi Basil, he's my friend, I have never mentioned the death of his daughter. And for a lawyer to stand in court and say that as a blatant lie, you see how dangerous these people are.
So my people, this is actually what happened in court today in regards to the APGA chairman petition in the court based on the forgery case he had. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. Please like this video, please share this video, and please subscribe if you are not. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video, and bye for now.